Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage a book publishing process in Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get right to it. First up, you need to set up your base. Navigate to Airtable and create a new base. Consider this base as your central hub for everything related to your book publishing process. The reason we do this is to have an organized system where you can monitor all aspects of your publishing process at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tables. Create separate tables for each phase of your publishing process. You might have tables for manuscripts, editing, design, marketing, and so forth. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each table functions like a separate department in your publishing house, providing clarity and structure. Next up, we're going to add records. In each table, add records relevant to that phase. For instance, under the manuscripts table, you might add records for each manuscript you're working on. This helps us because it allows us to track progress on each manuscript individually, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's talk about fields. For each record, you'll want to add fields. These might include things like deadlines, responsible team members, or status updates. The reason we do this is to provide detailed information about each record, which can help streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page. Finally, we're going to utilize Airtable's Views feature. You can set up different views for each table based on your needs. For example, you might have a calendar view for your marketing table to track campaign dates. This is crucial because it allows you to visualize your data in a way that makes sense for your process. Let me explain why this matters. Managing a book publishing process can be complex, with many moving parts. Using a tool like Airtable helps you stay organized, track progress, and collaborate more effectively with your team. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to manage a book publishing process in Airtable. Remember, the key is in the organization. Set up your base, create tables, add records, define fields, and utilize views. This way, you'll have a clear overview and control over your book publishing process. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in.